Adult day is the way most people overlook it, but adult day is the future of senior care. For decades it's been treated like the afterthought, the last resort, the option families only find late. What if healthcare had it all backwards? What if the first step was right here? Every hospital discharge, every care plan. Adult day. Adult day is the way. Adult day is the way. First step, not last. First step, not last. It's connection, it's purpose, it's joy. Adult day is the way. It's not just activities or care. It's a place they thrive, they improve, they live their best lives. And when that happens, caregivers feel it too. Relief, peace of mind, hope coming through. A perfect storm is coming. More family caregivers, more need every day. So if we lead with adult day, we change the story. We find a better way. Adult day is the way. Adult day is the way. First step, not last. First step, not last. It's connection, it's purpose, it's joy. Adult day is the way. We're joining forces, the time is now. A movement is rising and hope is breaking through. Raise awareness, unite our